Hi everyone, my name is Alina and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 23. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting tool that you can find it on 2D pattern window. It's called Stem. What does Stem do? It shrinkage and decrease or increases a part, just a part of your garment. Let's see how it works. Okay, when you click on it, this pop-up box appears. It's called Stem Brush. Here you can see the percentage of your shrinkage. If it's minus, it decreases the size of that part of your dress or garment. But if it's a plus, look how it works. If it's a plus, it will increase the size of that part. As you see, it's from minus 100% and plus 100%. It means that it completely can increase the size. Then we have this size and hardness that it talks about this Stem machine that once upon a time it was your pointer, your mouse pointer. The size, let me show you. Okay, this size is the circle that covers your pointer. And then the hardness is the distance between these two circles. I cannot choose them, but you can see. When they are too much near to one another, you will have a sharper edge, but the less near they are, the smoothest effect they will have. So, can I reset everything? Yes, this is what resetting. I didn't know that. Now I learned with you. So, for example, okay, let me merge this. Okay, for example, if I keep it on -3, when it's going to decrease the size, it's blue, and otherwise it's going to be red. If I simulate, as you see, it gets shorter and stretchier and smaller, and also the blue, it's getting more vivid. If you don't want these changes, you can remove Stem on just this selected. Maybe you have applied this Stem more than just one piece, or you can remove all of them. Okay, then you simulate and it turns back to the shape that it was. Let's have fun. Now we'll learn about it. Now let's see how it works and make some changes in our dress. Okay, I split it. No, not a split. I make an internal line of 2 centimeters. Now I cut and sew it. Now let's see how it works. Okay, I'm going to make it larger. Then if you see, the color shows the strength of your shrinkage. Then if For example, I already have this one. Now I apply it twice, it gets darker until it gets completely red. Red is the last color. Oh, it's too much. Wait, okay, let's see. I'm not going to set it as 100%. Okay. Oh, I can keep steaming here. As you see, and it becomes like this. Okay, it's the most fun that I could have because I don't see maybe I don't like mess, because for me it looks like a mess. Maybe if I change the fabric it gets better. Also particle distance. And let me see, for example, let's see if I make now let's decrease the size. I make it larger. Okay, let's see how we can decrease the size. Oh my god. Just this part. Ooh. Okay, if I go over this, it's like it's melting in the ice. Oh my god. Okay, it didn't happen what I thought would happen. No, please. Yes. And that is how it works. You can apply it more and see what shapes you can have. If you can make some beautiful shapes, you can make them and tag me and let me know if you can use this tool better than me. But the lesson of today is finished. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.